Once upon a time, in a big forest filled with towering trees, there was a tiny acorn named Ollie. Ollie lived on the ground beneath the oak trees and often dreamed of becoming something big, like the tall, strong trees above him.
Every day, Ollie would look up at the oak trees and whisper, "One day I want to be just like you."
The other acorns giggled. "You're so small, Ollie. It'll take forever for you to grow that tall."
But Ollie didn't mind. He knew that even the tallest trees start as little seeds.
One bright morning, a squirrel came hopping through the forest, collecting acorns for the winter.
The squirrel spotted Ollie and carried him away in its soft paws.
But as the squirrel was leaping from tree to tree, it dropped Ollie, and he tumbled into a cozy little hole in the ground.
At first, Ollie was a bit scared. What will happen now? He wondered.
Days turned into weeks, and something magical began to happen. Rain soaked the ground, and the warm sun shone down.
Ollie started to feel a little different. He felt something growing. A tiny root poked out beneath him, and soon a small sprout reached toward the sky. As time passed, Ollie's sprout grew taller and taller. The forest animals cheered him on. "Look at you, Ollie! You're growing!" Years later, Ollie had grown into a beautiful oak tree, strong and tall, just like the ones he used to look up to. The wind rustled through his leaves and Ollie smiled, remembering how he had once been just a little acorn with a big dream.
And so, Ollie learned that with patience and care, even the smallest dreams can grow into something mighty.